Today, we're diving into 10 groundbreaking government-funded projects in the Philippines. From the country's first subway to mega bridges and next-generation airports, these projects are changing how millions of Filipinos live, travel, and work. Let's kick things off with the Metro Manila Subway project, the Philippines' first-ever subway system, spanning 33 kilometers and connecting Valenzuela City to Parañaque. It will have 17 stations and reduce travel time to just 35 minutes, supported by the Japan International Cooperation Agency. This project is expected to serve 370,000 passengers daily by the year 2029. Despite challenges like land acquisition and flood risks. Now, let's talk about the North-South Commuter Railway, stretching 147 kilometers. It will connect New Clark City in the north to Laguna in the south, cutting through Metro Manila. Once complete, it's expected to transport over 1 million passengers daily. Despite some delays in budgeting and equipment procurement, with funding from the Japan International Cooperation Agency and the Asian Development Bank, this project is set to relieve Metro Manila's traffic by the year 2029. The Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge is a marvel of engineering stretching over 32 kilometers across Manila Bay. This mega bridge will reduce travel time between Bataan and Cavite from 5 hours to just 1.5 hours. Despite facing engineering and environmental hurdles, it's moving forward with funding from the Asian Development Bank and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank and is set for completion in 2030. In Mindanao, the Davao City Bypass Road project will include the Philippines' longest mountain tunnel, cutting travel time by nearly an hour. Rocky terrain has posed challenges, but with support from Japanese contractors. This project is scheduled to be operational by 2028, significantly improving transportation in Davao. The Davao Public Transport Modernization project is replacing aging jeepneys with a 672-kilometer electric bus network. This eco-friendly system will serve 800,000 passengers daily by the year 2026. While it has faced resistance from jeepney operators and some delays, with funding from the Asian Development Bank, it's paving the way for cleaner, more efficient public transport. The new Manila International Airport, or Bulacan Airport, is a massive project that will accommodate up to 100 million passengers annually with its 4-runway design. Scheduled for 2026. It aims to ease congestion at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Though relocation issues and environmental concerns have sparked debates, backed by San Miguel Corporation, it promises to establish the Philippines as a major aviation hub. The Mindanao Railway project is another highly anticipated development. Phase 1 spans 100 kilometers, connecting Tagum, Davao, and Dagos, reducing travel time from 3 hours to just 1 hour. Backed by China, the project is set to be operational by 2028, but is facing right-of-way disputes and financing delays. Over in Cebu, the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway has been operational since 2022. This 8.9-kilometer toll bridge connects Cebu City to Mactan Island, relieving traffic congestion and providing a smoother commute. Despite challenges from typhoon-related setbacks and toll pricing debates, this 30 billion peso project is already making a positive impact. The Clark International Airport expansion has doubled the airport's capacity to accommodate 8 million passengers annually, completed in 2021. This project helps ease traffic at Metro Manila's airports while offering a modern travel experience. Although the pandemic initially slowed its progress, Clark has become a vital hub for regional air travel and economic growth. Finally, the Pasig River Expressway is a bold initiative to create a 19.37-kilometer elevated expressway along the Pasig River. Once operational in 2028, it will cut travel times across Metro Manila, offering a faster alternative to the congested streets below. While the project has faced criticism over its potential impact on heritage sites and the environment, It promises to reshape urban mobility with backing from San Miguel Corporation. And that's it for today's rundown of the top 10 government projects. These initiatives show the incredible potential for progress, even with the challenges they face. Which of these projects are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on